this cool or what?
Okay. Let's go in here. Look at this big tree. Oh, yeah. See what else they got here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what's that?
Yeah, look at what they have. They have a garbage truck.
Yeah, what's that? It's not black.
Oh.
I want to touch it. I want to touch it.
Pretty neat.
I want to touch it.
Let's go this way.
Let's go this way.
Come on, Nolan.
Bye, toys.
This is a cool place.
This is all, oh, let's see what's over here. Oh, they look like grass, flowers. Oh, they got like rain.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the good dirt coming out of there.
Yeah, I don't like dirt.
You don't like dirt. Look at the vegetables. See, that's a tomato plant, cabbage, lettuce, carrots.
Open up one of those doors.
Here. What's it show here?
What's that?
Oh, that's like your daddy riding on a lawnmower. That's water.
There's a doggy over here.
See what the dog under the
See what the doggy says over there.
Here. Do you open it? You want to open that? Pull it up.
Not doggy.
Not doggy. Throw doggy waste away.
Oh,
They're washing the car.
Look in here.
Sure.
Well, let's see. Oh, here's some animals.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa.
What's in it? Look at what's
Fish.
frog. Nolan. Look at the frog right here. That's a frog.
Is that cool or what?
What's in here? Oh. Did you want to come over here, Nolan? Feel these.
Guys, you know what? And you can
Feel that. This is a
Oh.
woodchuck. There's a squirrel. Feel soft. What do we know, right?
Oh,
That's a big frog.
yeah, see?
What kind of fish are up there? What's in there? Little bugs?
Tomorrow, it's way big.
Oh, look at right here.
Oh, that big one.
It-
What's that?
I don't know. Oh, that looks like a mole.
Oh, it's a mole.
Are those weasels? I don't know. What's this?
Oh, swim.
What is that? Is that a snake? Yeah, that's a snake.
That's scary.
That's scary.
Oh, that's scary.
It's a snake. What's this one? This is a little mouse.
That's not scary.
No. He's eating acorns.
What's above? There's another one right there.
Oh.
Noli, get this one.
Oh, it's rabbit.
That's a frog with a snake.
What's this?
That's a mouse.
What's that?
It's a little crayfish. Okay.
Feel those, Noli. They're very soft. Isn't that neat?
Let's see, this one is a raccoon.
Oh,
That's a turtle. See the little turtle? Look at him swim.
we're swimming.
Oh, there's another turtle over here. See, there's two turtles. Ooh. Oh, look at him.
Oh,
They're so cute. Oh, he's coming by you.
Where's Wim?
He's swimming. Oh.
Okay,
He's a cute turtle, huh?
Wow.
Look at that fishy, look at you.
oh my
have ducks. What's in there?
Big snake.
It's a snake in the log there.
That's scared.
That's scary to you?
That's scared me too.
Oh, there should be a turtle up here. Oh, he's in.
Cheese.
Noli the climber guy. Noli the climber guy.
Get me down.
We'll help you.
Just jump. Jump. Whoa. Big dude. Okay. Look at all the scarecrows, Nolan.